Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Jhanelle and this is Love Jhanelle. So today I'm going to be taking on the task of making my own DIY Yoni steam, what do I call this? Like Yoni steaming kit. Yeah, Yoni steaming kit for under $30. So to make your basic steaming kit, it's going to be about $30 minus the herbs. So the inspiration for this video is Kyla. I saw this video and decided to go and try it myself. I personally don't like the idea of bringing a pot into the bathroom to steam. I don't like the idea of actually steaming in the bathroom. So I wanted to make my own little sacred space. I'm going to be leaving Kayla's video down in the description bar if you're interested in checking out where I got my inspiration from. And if you're interested in other Yoni type videos or women health type videos, I suggest just subscribing to her channel too. She has a lot of really good content on there and I've learned so much just from watching her videos. So if you do end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and just let's get on with the video. So my first stop was Walmart. I went to get the crock pot that I was going to use. I found one for under $10. I also picked up some herbs. I got some rosemary, oregano, and the tea bags I have are lavender and chamomile, and I think it has some dandelion and some other things in there. I couldn't find a pillow that I wanted or a cushion to settle with, so I decided to make my own a little later on. Then I went to Lowe's to get the crate because when I did Google it, it did show me that Lowe's was the only location aside from Michael's which had them sold out. I didn't really like the quality of the crate from Lowe's and it was just under $13. I found a slightly better one at Walmart. Just happened to be there for something else and I saw someone walking around with a crate in their cart and decided to go to the craft section. So you don't have to go all around the world. You can just get everything from Walmart. All right, so this is what I am working with. So I got the crock pot to keep the water warm while I'm steaming. I got the crate, so I'm not going to keep both. I got this one from Lowe's first. If you can see, the quality isn't all that good. It's a bit more flimsy, so you see the wood. It isn't very strong, and I was second guessing it while I was buying it, but I didn't think I had a better option at the time. It is unfinished wood, so I was planning on sanding all of this down, but I'm not going to need to because I'm going to return this, and I'm keeping this one. So as you can see, this one I got from Walmart. The wood is finished, so I don't have to do much to it. And the bottom is not as flimsy, so it's a lot more solid. So this is a keeper. And I think it was like a few cents. I think this was a few cents less than the one from Lowe's. All right, so I got some of the herbs. This is some oregano, rosemary, and chamomile and lavender. I also just got this from Walmart. I didn't really need it, but it was really cute and it called out to me. I like the rainbow. I'm gonna open it up in a minute, but this can go over my legs. It's gonna hold the heat in. Yeah, it's really cute. It's just $2.50 and I just wanted it, so. These I did not just get. I have fabric and I'm going to make my own pillow. I was having a hard time finding a pillow to cut a hole into to make a nice comfortable seat for when I'm steaming, a nice cushion for when I'm steaming. And then I remembered I had some fabric at home, so I just bought this instead of buying a pillow. So this is the stuffing for the pillow. And then I had these fabrics already. So I'm gonna just pick from one of these. These I think they'll be easy to dry. This is like a quick, this green one here, it's like a not jersey, what do you call this material? It's a quick dry material, so it might be a good idea to use this. But I have these ones that are like a fleece material. And then some more fleece material. This is just some black cotton. And then I had the idea of this. I tie-dyed a t-shirt, so you don't have to buy any fabric. You can use an old t-shirt like this one. So for the crock pot, this one is only $10 from Walmart. All right, so here is the slow cooker. And this is going to be perfect for what I need it for, which is to keep the water warm while I steam. All right, so all I'm going to do is flip this over and cut, I'm going to remove this middle one. I'm going to leave the other ones, but this one, I just need a big enough hole for the steam to come through. And then with the fabric, I'm going to measure. So I'm going to measure the top of the box, and then it's going to be doubled. So cut to size, and then I'll flip it inside out. Yeah, flip it inside out. I'm going to cut a hole in the middle, and then I'm going to sew up the two sides here, sew the other part too. So this will be removable. So I've tacked everything into place, so it's gonna stay straight while I sew it, hopefully. I'm not a seamstress, I just like doing a thing. Kyla didn't do this part in the video, so I'm literally winging it. I did make this a little larger than the crate because I know once the stuffing goes in, it's going to, like, you know, shrivel in a bit. So I haven't seen anyone make a Yoni cushion before, so yes, this is me just making it up as I go. I literally looked over at the crock pot. That's where I came up with that. I said, okay, that might actually work. So hopefully it's the perfect size. So I haven't set up my sewing machine since moving. I don't have a station, and it's going to take a while to get a table together and thread the sewing machine and the bobbin and all of that. So I'm just going to quickly hand sew it. This is upholstery thread. I got this from Amazon. I initially got it to make waist beads with, but I find that the strings can snap sometimes because it is that coarse. So it's not recommended. I'm going to make a video coming up maybe before this or after this. So I'm going to have a video showing what my favorite thread is for making waist beads. This is not it. And since it is for upholstery, then it should be perfect for making this chair. Again, I am not a seamstress. I'm going to do a simple backhand stitch along the two sides. I've sewn all around the perimeter, and now I'm going to put this right side out. Now I'm going to sew most of here and here, and then I'll stuff, and then I'll sew the rest, and then that's going to be my pillow to go on here. I started sewing here and I've come all the way to here. It's time to stuff this. I'm just going to start the furthest end. Okay, so this is what is left from the 16-ounce bag. As for this, I'm going to remove the middle. How do I do this without breaking? What I've done is just put my foot in the middle here, turned it sideways so it's just resting on that one plank I need gone, and then I just pulled it up. It pulled one end out, so I'm just gonna try do the other side. Oh, it came out easier. So here's the pillow all done. And that, you put your herbs and your boiling water in here, pop that there, plug that into the outlet, and there we go. And then when you're done, you can use the same crate, flip it the right side up. Whatever blanket you use to steam with, you can then go in and put that in there. You can put your crock pot in there. Whatever herbs you use to steam with, and your pillow. And then you can cover it up. You can do a lot neater than this, but you get the point. And that's it, you can put this all away. Now, I am gonna leave the DIY at this point because I'm not sure if I want to stain this or paint this, but there is going to be levels to this. So I'm gonna do another one. I'll probably make another pillow because this was my first time trying something like this. So I have some improvements I'm gonna want to make, making another one. So yeah,